Hello friends, my today's topic is Pythagoras Theorem, that is very important. So in today's topic I am going to explain you about the statement and examples. Coming video I will show you model to prove this Pythagoras Theorem. So let us go for the statement of a Pythagoras Theorem. In a right angled triangle, one thing you can see that here Pythagoras Theorem I have made one triangle and this is right angle triangle. What does it mean? Pythagoras Theorem is applicable only in right angle triangle. If right angle triangle is not there, we cannot use their Pythagoras Theorem. That is very important concept. So in a right angle triangle, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of squares of base and perpendicular. So first let me explain the terms here. This is your right angle triangle, this is 90 degree. Opposite to 90 degree, whatever side is there, that is known as hypotenuse. This is known as base. Base is always very easy to recognize because the base thing is known as base. Whatsoever line is making 90 degree, this is known as perpendicular. This is perpendicular. So in a right angle triangle, opposite to 90 degree is hypotenuse, this is base and this is perpendicular. And one more thing, hypotenuse is always the longest side. What does it mean? Hypotenuse is greater than base, hypotenuse is greater than perpendicular. Out of these three sides, hypotenuse is always the longest side. So what this theorem says now, hypotenuse, square of hypotenuse, which is the square here, hypotenuse is AC. So AC square is equal to sum of, so make plus sum of squares of base. Which one is base here? BC square, and perpendicular is AB. So this is AB square. This is your Pythagoras theorem. In a right angle triangle, hypotenuse square AC square is equal to height this sum of squares of other two sides. So BC, this is square and this is base, and AB, this is perpendicular, so AB square. This is all about the statement of a Pythagoras theorem. Now it's very important to identify which one is the hypotenuse. Most of the time we can observe that students, they are not able to find out which one is the hypotenuse. So for that I am giving here one or two figures. Suppose this is your triangle P, Q and R. This is your 90 degree. So here which one is the hypotenuse? This PR will be the hypotenuse. Or which is the longest side over here? Opposite to 90 degree, whatever side is there, that is hypotenuse, and this is the longest side. Now one more figure I am giving for practice over here. This is the triangle X, Y and Z. So can you tell me which one is the hypotenuse here? Opposite to 90 degree is XZ. So XZ is the hypotenuse. Let me take one more figure. This is one rectangle. You can give name A, B, C, D. Can you tell me for the given figure which one is the hypotenuse? Definitely this DB will be the hypotenuse because this is a right angle. It means a rectangle. So rectangle means each angle is of 90 degree. So opposite to 90 degree in this triangle also DB and in this triangle also DB. So for the particular figure, which one is the hypotenuse? DB is the hypotenuse. Now we will go for a few examples. So first example I am taking, again find the lettered side or find XYZ. Find the value of X. the lettered side. It's side, not angle. So let me draw the first figure here. First figure. This is your triangle. This length is given 5 centimeter. This is x and this is your 13 centimeter. Before using Pythagoras theorem, the first thing find out, is the given triangle right angle triangle? You can say yes. So here you can write down here, by using Pythagoras theorem. Writing name of the property is very, very important. So what is Pythagoras theorem? Hypotenuse square. Now which one is the hypotenuse? Opposite to right angle, which is the 13 centimeter. So 13 square is equal to height is, now which two sides are left? X is left. So x square and this 5 is left. So this will become 5 square. So now 13 square is 169 is equal to x square, 5 square is 25. Here you need to learn the square till 25. That is very useful and you can save your time, you can avoid your mistake. So now next step, this 25 will become minus 25. So 169 minus 25 will give you x square. Just subtract this. You will get here 144 is equal to x square. Since this is square, so here we will find square root of 144. That square root concept you will learn in grade 8. If you have already done this square root concept, so easily you can find out square root of 144. If you have not done, then we can find out 144 is the square of which number. So 12 square is 144. And now since square, both the sides square is there, so value of x will be 12. So grade 7 students, they can use the concept of square. Grade 8, 9, 10 students, they can use the concept of square root. Now one more example I am taking. This is the second example. Again one figure is given here, one triangle is given, that triangle is right angle triangle. This is x, this is 20 and this one is 25. Okay. So again you can see that one right angle triangle is there. So again write down by Pythagoras theorem. Writing name of the property is important. What is Pythagoras theorem? Hypotenuse square. How to identify hypotenuse? Opposite to 90 degree. Which number is given? 25. So 25 square. Then height this side. Now which two sides you can see? 20 you can see. So write down here 20 square. Plus you can see x. So write down x square. Now 25 square is 625. I said learn the square, that is very helpful for you. 20 square is 400 plus x square. So now this 400 will become negative on the left hand side. Subtract this, you will get 225 is equal to x square. Again grade 8, 9, 10 students, they can find out square root of 225. Or grade 7 students, they can think 225 is the square of which number. So we know that 15 square is 225. So value of x will be 15. So x is equal to 15 centimeter. So this is the way we find the value using Pythagoras theorem, and try to make one square table in your notebook. 9 square, 8 square, 10 square, it's very easy. So you can make 11 square, then 12 square, till you are supposed to find out till 25 or 26 square. These numbers are very important and very useful till grade 10. So make a table of square in your notebook and every day just recite this table, so that within a week you will be you must be knowing all the squares of the numbers. So thank you for watching today's video, and don't forget to watch the next video. I am going to explain you with the model about the Pythagoras theorem. Thank you for watching today's video.